Hi you all, I'm Vaidehi and welcome to my channel Brown Life, and in this video I'm going to share with you all how to create this really pretty colorful eye look. I have created this for Sankrant, but if you want to you can create such looks in any festive season. Also happy Sankrant, Tirgur Kha and Gorgor Bola, and happy Pongal as well. So without wasting any such time, let's just start with this video. Also I'm doing voiceover because I think it's easy and it's quick as well. So I think without blabbering much we should start with the video. So my skin prep is already done, so I'm going to start with Wet n Wild's Photo Focus Face Primer. It's a matte primer and I'm going to apply it on my face where my pores are visible. Moving on to concealer, I'm going to use Stay Cookies Hide My Key Concealer and I'm going to conceal my upper eyelid area. For my eyeshadow, I'm going to use Cuffs and Lashes 20 something eyeshadow palette, and using purple color I'm going to place it onto the outer corners of my eyelid. I'm using a big fluffy brush so that most of the color will get situated at the outer corner. To make my eyeshadow blended, I'm going to remove all the excess product that is on my brush and I'm going to blend it onto my crease area so that it should look more lighter over there. Moving on, I'm going to take pink eyeshadow and I'm going to place it right next to purple because I think purple and pink really complements each other. I'm going to place it right next to purple. Then moving on, I'm going to apply orange eyeshadow. I know it's really weird to apply orange after pink, but trust me, this looks really nice. And then I'm going to do the same thing, that is placing orange and blending it with pink. Moving on, I'm going to take yellow color on a pencil brush. Although it was really difficult for me to place yellow because it was not as pigmented as it was looking on the palette, but still I tried my best to blend everything. Moving on, I'm going to blend all the eyeshadows together so that it should look one base kind of thing, if you know what I mean. Moving on, I'm going to conceal my under eye area using same concealer that I used before, that is by the brand Stay Quirky. And then I'm going to use foundation by the brand Lakme 925 and I'm in the shade W20 Warm Caramel. I'm going to place it all over my face and blend it really nicely using Wet n Wild's foundation brush. Moving on, I'm going to use Wet n Wild's foundation as my contour, and this one is in the shade Mocha I guess, and this is so dark that I can definitely use and rock this as my contour product. Moving on, I'm also going to use compact to set my under eye area. For that I'm using NY Base Compact with SPF 40 I guess, and then I'm going to clean my contour as well. I'm going to place eyeshadow on my lower lash line as well, which I skipped because जो ऊपर था वही नीचे करना था. Moving on, I'm going to use Maybelline's Colossal Bold Eyeliner, and basically I'm creating eyeliner so that I can place my eyelash without any hustle, and that's why I created very small like a line on my eyelids and haven't created any wing. Moving on, I'm going to I'm going to use Wet n Wild's retractable eyebrow pencil. I'm going to fill in my brows and I will comb through them so that everything will get blended and mixed together. Also, I have this habit of filling my sparse areas only because when you fill eyebrows completely, that looks so fake and ridiculous. Moving on, I'm going to use Stay Quirky's blush, and this one is in the shade Coral Chick, my favorite blush of all time. I have took the blush towards my eyebrow arc area, or like you can see on screen, because that was looking cute and that was making my eyeshadow pop. Moving on, I'm going to use Hilary Rhoda eyelashes, and these are in number 14, and to stick my eyelashes I'm going to use Miss Claire's eyelash glue in the shade White Tone. I'm going to place my eyelash right onto where I created not wing but eyeliner kind of thing, and that's why I told you that if you want to apply eyelashes, make sure you are applying eyeliner first, so that आपको एक precise जगह मिल जाएगी to place your eyelash. I'm going to use Lakme's lipstick in the shade Mauve Ecstasy, and it's a pretty pinkish nude color, which is also my one of favorite colors of all time. I can rock this color with any outfit and anywhere. And for my highlighter, I'm going to use Miss Rose highlighter. I don't know the shade name, but I'll try to provide all the product links in the description box. And I applied the highlighter on my highest point of my cheeks, on my cupid's bow, on my eyebrow arc area, bridge of my nose, tip of my nose, and that's how I applied my highlighter. Moving on, I also applied highlighter above my forehead so that मेरी forehead थोड़ा सा shine करे and to get that dewy look kind of thing. I'm going to take very small brush and I'm going to apply highlighter onto my inner corners to make my eyeshadow and my eyelashes like entire makeup pop. And this is the complete look, you guys. So I really hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial, and if you did, then please hit the like button, share this video with your friends and family. Also, please subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram for more of such beauty updates. My handle is Vaidehi_Hadge, and I'll see you next time. Bye.